welcome back. So this is a very short video on how maybe a not so well-known feature of NGLess, which is you can have mini scripts just on the command line. And let me just show you an example because maybe that makes a little bit more sense. So let's say you have here this SAM file, very regular SAM file, and you want to just extract the reads as a FASTQ. And let me just jump ahead and show you the solution. That's it. That's the solution. But now I want to go back and break it down a little bit and show you how we do this. So NGLess, so this is our NGLess command. And then -p minus e. So this is the same as -p minus e. So what the e does is instead of us giving it the file with the NGLess script, we just give the script directly here on the command line. So this is the full script, and because we're doing it on the command line, we don't need to have this NGLess version declaration. That becomes implicit. And then, so if we just did this, then this would actually not do anything because it would just convert into reads, and then it would actually error out because we're not doing anything with these reads. And what the P does, it prints out, actually, you can have multiple commands, and whatever the output of the last command, it gets printed out, which we have then sent to this other file, right? So this, so we can combine this and do, a slightly even smarter operation. So instead of, let's say we want not all of the reads, but we can throw in here a select command and only keep if the read is mapped. Let me see, and then now this closes the select and this closes the as reads, and I can pipe that through JZip so that now I have the mapped reads fq.jz, and yep, and that's gonna work, and that's gonna select all of the reads from the file that are where they are mapped and convert them to an FQ format. So that's it. So, if any questions, comment below. There's an NGLess mailing list. Subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you soon.